Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we will delve into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading and explore the benefits of using the MEXC Referral code, specifically the code 12K4M5. MEXC is rapidly becoming one of the top digital asset trading platforms, known for its user-friendly interface and robust features. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned trader, MEXC provides a seamless experience that caters to all levels of expertise. By signing up on MEXC using our referral code 12K4M5, you can unlock exclusive benefits that enhance your trading journey. But what exactly are the advantages of using a referral code when signing up for MEXC? First and foremost, using my referral code 12K4M5 can earn you a special bonus on your initial deposit. This means that you will have extra funds in your trading account to explore various cryptocurrency options and maximize your investment potential. Who wouldn't want extra capital to start their trading adventure? Moreover, users who sign up with a referral code often enjoy reduced trading fees for an extended period. This additional saving can significantly impact your overall profits, making each trade that much more rewarding. Imagine trading with lower fees every time you execute a transaction. This is how smart traders enhance their profitability. Another great feature of using my MEXC referral code is that it allows you to tap into a community of traders who are eager to share knowledge and collaborate. By joining MEXC through code 12K4M5, you gain access to exclusive promotional events, competitions, and the latest crypto news, keeping you ahead in this fast-paced market. In conclusion, don't miss out on the incredible opportunities that await you on MEXC. Take your trading to the next level and ensure you use the MEXC referral code 12K4M5 when you sign up. By doing so, you not only enhance your trading experience, but also position yourself for success in the evolving world of cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to Crypto Horizon, and share this information with fellow traders. Happy trading!